Hello friends and welcome to my channel, The Affiliate Marketing Express. Thank you for taking the time to watch my short video. Your time is very much appreciated. The title of this video is Affiliate Marketing, Free Traffic. Today we embark on a journey into the world of affiliate marketing, unveiling the untapped potential of free organic traffic. In this digital era, commerce has witnessed a profound transformation, with affiliate marketing leading the way. Let us delve into this thriving industry and uncover the top 2 methods to harness the power of free organic traffic, driving unparalleled success in our ventures. Affiliate marketing, at its core, is a mutually beneficial partnership between merchants and affiliates. As affiliates promote products or services, they earn a commission from each sale made through their unique referral links. This dynamic approach empowers both parties to achieve unprecedented heights together. The rise of affiliate marketing as a multi-billion-dollar industry is largely attributed to the Internet's accessibility and the ever-expanding e-commerce landscape. Brands now recognize the cost-effectiveness and result-oriented nature of affiliate marketing, leading to increased product exposure, brand visibility, and substantial revenue growth. Now, let us unlock the first method to attain free organic traffic. 1. Organic Search Engine Optimization (SEO). Organic SEO is the cornerstone of acquiring free organic traffic. By optimizing our affiliate content for search engines, we can secure higher rankings in search results, attracting valuable organic visitors. The foundation of successful SEO lies in thorough keyword research, strategically placing relevant keywords, and crafting compelling meta tags. By providing value to our target audience and aligning our content with their search intent, we can establish authority and trust, resulting in increased organic traffic and higher conversion rates. Now, let us proceed to explore the second method. 2. Compelling content marketing. In the realm of affiliate marketing, content is indeed king. By creating engaging, informative, and valuable content, we can attract and retain a loyal audience, leading to organic traffic growth. Content marketing spans various mediums, such as blog posts, articles, videos, and infographics. By understanding our target audience's pain points and aspirations, we can tailor our content to resonate deeply with them. Furthermore, nurturing authenticity and building rapport with our readers or viewers fosters brand loyalty and encourages organic sharing, further amplifying our reach. By combining the power of organic SEO and compelling content marketing, we unlock the full potential of free organic traffic. These 2 methods lay the groundwork for success in affiliate marketing, enabling us to reach wider audiences and build sustainable relationships. As affiliate marketers, we must remember to stay ethical and comply with industry regulations, fostering transparency and trust with our audience. Embracing innovation and analyzing performance data will help us stay ahead in the dynamic digital landscape. In conclusion, affiliate marketing opens a world of opportunities for entrepreneurs and brands. By harnessing the top 2 methods of free organic traffic, we can achieve unparalleled success while upholding ethical practices. Let our passion, creativity, and value-driven approach guide our journey in the affiliate marketing revolution. Together, we can leave a profound impact on the digital landscape and pave the way for a prosperous future. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening expedition. If you would like to learn our #1 way to start a hyper-profitable online business without any previous experience and without showing your face on camera, use my affiliate link below to check out OnlineBusinessApp. OnlineBusinessApp is a revolutionary affiliate platform that offers a unique opportunity to earn your first $100,000 and beyond. So go ahead. Click on the link and give OnlineBusinessApp a try. It's free for 14 days. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I'm happy that this video has helped you. Please like, comment, and remember to subscribe, so that more entrepreneurs may be made aware of this valuable content. Until next time, may your affiliate commissions keep rolling in.